we are going to learn how to make hair nourishing cream. Hair cream is a mixture of many substances which work together to promote the healthy appearance of your hair. In today's recipe, we are going to make about 800 ml of hair nourishing cream. And the recipe is petroleum jelly 290 grams, paraffin oil 363 ml, paraffin wax 29 grams, lanolin 22 grams, soluble colorants 0.1 gram, and we are going to use yellow earth as our colorant. Fragrance oil 8 ml. Now the ingredient that stands out in this recipe is lanolin, which is a substance that helps to make your hair, have a glossy appearance. It also prevents water loss from your scalp. So in this recipe, we have excess amount of lanolin that will make our product stand out. All right. Now let's see the procedure for making our hair nourishing cream. The first thing to do is to place a pot and heat it to dry. That's the first thing to do. Now pour in the petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, paraffin wax, and lanolin and heat to melt. Pour in the petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, paraffin wax, and lanolin and heat to melt. Now after they have been melted, pour in the oil-soluble colorant and stir. Pour in the oil-soluble colorant and stir. Now remove the pot from fire and allow the content to cool down a bit. After the content has cooled down a bit, add the fragrance oil and stir. And now finally pour it into a container and allow it to cool and solidify.